Wow, look at this shirt. So fitting. It's perfect for pumpkin spice season. I may not be in Chicago, so we don't have the same need for the warm beverages right now. I still crave that soothing, comforting feeling that I get, especially from those warm drinks. I do definitely love the pumpkin spice teas. There's a lot of benefits with the extra spices. You got the warming cinnamon that's really has been shown to help with glucose regulation. We got ginger that aids with digestive health. Nutmeg also has those calming effects. A lot of great benefits, but sometimes during the day I crave pumpkin spice lattes. However, full of sugar, just leads to energy crashes, not the goal that I need, especially during a busy workday. What I do is I either have a cold brew that I'll add some soy milk. I'll add some fresh pumpkin in here. However, I don't always have that available. Is to cut back on the caffeine. I have been buying those mushroom adaptogen substitutes. I have tried other companies like Rise. Now I'm trying mud water. I had the original and I also got the pumpkin one. The pumpkin does have 3 grams of added sugar per 2 tablespoons, which is a serving. So just keep that in mind if you're trying to watch the amount of added sugars. I still want some cold brew in there because again, I love my coffee. So I'm not gonna try the pumpkin spice. Well, okay, fine. We'll do the pumpkin spice because that's the point of this video, right? I combine both. I just do a little bit of each. I don't do the recommended 2 tablespoons. And then I combine the other. The amount is gonna be based on the intensity for yourself. Then you're gonna use, they also give you a frother if you get their first subscription. I have so many frothers. I like this one because it matches my kitchen. And you can just see, I haven't used any water in there. It becomes very foamy. You don't even need to add any dairy or creamer. I'm gonna add some of that. I have the option, of course, to just add water and ice. Because I am going into a snack time, I'm gonna combine this with one of my banana nut muffins. If you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. I add some soy milk to create more body, more viscosity to this. It's gonna be more filling. Add the ice. I also like to add collagen when I drink coffee. As a vegetarian, I supplement with collagen just for that additional support on my joints, my hair, my nails. So you added that. Probably wanna add the ice after you mix it in. You have the option of adding an additional sweetener if you like. You guys know I love my stevia. I know that I don't like added sugars. I like natural sweetness from food. My beverages do like some sweetness. I don't care for honey yet. I'm getting into it again. Again, it's being vegetarian, plant-based for so long. Give it a try. Wow. I don't remember the last time I had a Starbucks Frappuccino or pumpkin latte. I just remember it being so sweet that I couldn't even enjoy it. This is perfect. It doesn't have a pumpkin taste to it. You can do though, you can get the flavored pumpkin spice of the sweet leaf. So I get the plain. You can find flavored. I don't have pumpkin spice yet. Or you can also get a pumpkin flavored creamer. But these are all flavorings. They're not going to be as natural. It really depends on your goals. I believe that if you want to stay in a season, embrace the season. I'm going to have pumpkin. I'm going to have lattes. I made my own. I prefer to bring my own. I'm going to have this with some energy bites and just create this as a snack. Then I have the gym in about 3 hours. That's going to be perfect. Hope you guys can get some inspiration that you can make your own versions at home, preferably because it's gonna be nice, not only nice on your wallet, on your waistline, and you have full control of the ingredients. You just feel better about them. If it's fun, if you have to go, it's no problem. I like mason jars for that. You take it with you. There's even some that have holes in them. You can put a straw. A lot of options. Don't settle for big companies that all they care about is you coming back because of that addiction kick. Create your own addiction with real food, real nutrition, real energy. You show up for yourself better. That is more inspiring and motivating. Let's keep it going.
A taste so sweet, bends the light.